Hey everyone, welcome back to CryptoCache. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. I got another analysis here for WIF hat. I get this request a lot, so that's the main reason why I cover it. I'm not just a meme coin guy now. It really just matter of fact. Everybody loves requesting a lot of different coins. This is one of the popular ones right now, so just like to make sure to honor that. So if you're new to the channel, welcome on board. Hope you can learn something today. If you do want to become a better trader, CryptoCache.tech is a site. Link down below, and I do want to say thank you to my community for awesome feedback here recently. Glad everything's working out fairly well for you. While we did have an interesting weekend with some massive liquidity sweeps, WIF hat did not do very poorly at all compared to most other coins. It still pulled back, but all these lower levels of liquidation haven't been touched yet, which is both good and bad depending on how you look at it. Anyways, there's a nice solid double bottom at the 0.618 fib level. Awesome stuff, a lot of support there. We have a heavy amount of liquidation here between 3.4 and 3.6. So people are shorting like crazy at about 340, and they could get liquidated here soon if we see another whiff to the upside, right? So anyways, we'll talk about that and kind of see where we're at. So if you're new to the channel, again, thanks again so much for watching. Do not forget to like the video, comment below, help us grow the channel just so other people can benefit from this, and make sure that they kind of get a good best practice approach for trading. Because I've been trading for over 20 years, and I can tell you I've learned a few things over the years, and I'd like to impart you with that knowledge. And if you want that for yourself, again, CryptoCache.tech is a site, trading academy, community, and signals group. Let's take a look here at the moving averages. Easy way to understand it is that we're still underneath the 50-day SMA. I mentioned that being an important part of confirming factors to the upside here. Until we can close above that 0.382, that $3.15 mark or higher, we don't have really much to stand on here. Not saying it's bad. There's still a lot of good macro, but that is an important factor to me, taking a trade with confidence on the daily. We are over the 20, which is a good trend setter, kind of letting us know we're on the right side of tracks. We are also over 50 in the RSI. We've been maintaining that for a few days now. Stochastic swinging up, money flow index high. These are all very positive signs, especially in light of what happened recently with that manipulation from yesterday with that 5 to 10% correction with Bitcoin dominance shooting straight up, and Bitcoin literally going sideways, alts just bleeding out like crazy. It was pretty insane. So congrats to those who survived that. So we survived because we used low leverage and low position size, and we're not getting too heavy with our positions. Okay, again, we have a few trades up there right now, some in the slight red, some in the slight green, mostly breaking even with our average positions, but generally speaking, that's kind of par for the course right now with all the craziness we're seeing. Anyways, it's a nice little double bottom here, potential breakout here, of course, looking pretty nice. That's not exact, of course, but it's ugly, but that's the market we're in right now. We can see stochastic swinging up here, letting us know we're in good shape. MACD is in good shape as well. But the important thing here is we're over 50 in the RSI, and money flow index is above that. That's, to me, a very excellent sign, generally leading me to believe that we're in very, very good shape in the overall sense of things. So I personally like this. I like when I see this happen. A lot of times it gives you confidence knowing you're doing well. You just got to keep in mind, though, we have an obvious resistance level here where the price action just rejected out pretty hard for like the 5th time in a row, okay? Ultimately, we look at the time frame here, we zoom out a little bit, we can see the point of control. It does shift and change a little bit, but generally speaking, we see the largest amount of volume outside of this low level here at about $2.96. So again, if we kind of exclude that lowest level there, we can kind of see that we have a heavier concentration of liquidity, volume effectively at 295. So being above that is always important, okay? It's not like an exact science, but it is absolutely beneficial, letting us know we have support below us and more likely to keep the price action above us, okay, or going up rather. Last but not least is the Ichimoku cloud. We kind of looked at this previously. It's not like phenomenal by any stretch because the lagging span's free and clear, conversion lines over the baseline, and the cloud is below the price action. That's generally 3 out of 3 reasons why you're in good shape and you should not consider a short position. However, we also got to recognize too that it's kind of a little bit on the jagged side. Things are shooting up and shooting down right now fairly violently. Unfortunately, just kind of the par for the course right now. So if you do take a trade, I'm just recommending low leverage, low position size. Make sure you don't get too crazy with things. I know it can be super tempting to want to go hard on a trade. You got a couple bucks you're willing to lose, different story. But if you're really making a go at this is like your full-time thing, don't put 50% of your portfolio on WIF hat with a 50x leverage trade. Okay, folks, it's never going to work out favorably. It's not never, but for the most part, it's hard to be consistent. Okay, increase your odds, take the time, learn the trade. I can tell you this is my full-time job, has been for a long time, and there's a reason why I'm just very patient, and I personally feel like that's important. if you take too many risks in this market, it'll bite you in the butt. No pun intended with the dog theme here. Anyways, I hope that made sense. Do me a favor again, like the video if you found any benefit. Comment below, greatly appreciate that. And we'll look forward to seeing the next one. If you want to trade the best exchange possible in the world, my personal opinion, they've been great to our community. $5,500 in benefit rewards with BitUnix. If you use my link to register, link down below. No KYC or VPN, that's the main reason why we use them. We have a lot of US and Canadian members. So just check it out if you like. We've got a lot of other awesome exchanges linked down below as well with no KYC or VPN requirements too. Check them out in your own time. Thanks again for your time. We'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.